Hello and welcome back to Glam Tones. My name is Gigi and we're going to be working on my nails today. As you can see, I've removed everything but my thumb. My thumb was in good shape and it didn't have any art or anything to the nail, so I decided to keep it. Not sure that was the right choice, you'll see. So what we're going to do with the other 4 nails, because my creativity is just really lacking right now, is just cram a bunch of crap in a nail, which is honestly one of my favorite things to do. I love encapsulation. So that's what we're going to do, encapsulate today. Let's make a form. We're just going to round it out there a little bit and then attach the tabs at the back, just the 2 bottom ones. Oops, popped that open. Let's fix it. And pop the back open. My fingers, some people can leave that tab closed. It feels so uncomfortable on my finger, I don't do that. So there you go, that's all that is. And I'm just putting that on there correctly, making sure it's all lined up, pinching it down, lining it up, pinching it down. Now we're going to just paint a very thin, clear tip all the way down the nail, all the way down the form in the shape that I want, and then I'm going to cure that completely. I am making sure it's nice and connected to the natural nail so there's no gaps under there. Then I'm coming in with some Born Pretty jelly polish. And in one coat, we're not doing 2 coats, just one real jelly coat, I'm going to paint the entire surface. And then in that sticky surface, we're going to use these real pretty shell pieces. I've not used these a ton since I got them, and I just wanted to shove a bunch of crap in a nail today, so this is one of the things that we're going to shove in there. Like I said a second ago, my creativity is fully lacking right now. Everyone's creativity comes in peaks and valleys. Mine is in a deep, dark, cool valley, probably because my body is in a hot, steamy desert. Actually, not steamy, dry as a bone. Now we're going to grab some glitter, little glitter. We're going to do 2 different color combos. There you go, color combos, that's right. But both, blah. Wow, guys, words. All of them are going to get this pretty gold leaf. I love the little metal bits in nails. And the gold leaf is really eye-catching. I love it so much. So we're just going to lay a little bit of that in there. Mix it around with the glitter and the shell pieces. And just let it tell a little romantic, maybe ocean-y inspired, because they're shell pieces, right? Maybe ocean-y inspired set. Now, after curing that completely, I'm coming in, painting down a slip. Guys, I can't talk today. Painting down a slip layer, and then we are going to just put down a nice dollop of gel and coax it down the nail. And look at that, the gel does the shaping for you. Oh my God, I love builder gel so much. Look at how pretty that is. It's not even filed yet. Oh my goodness, builder gel is my favorite. And the builder gel we're using in this video is by Saviland, so thank you, Saviland. Although they don't know me, this isn't sponsored by them, but thank you anyway. I like your builder gel. So I did already, as you probably noticed, I did not do the prep in this video. If you want to see some prep, I will put a link in the top for you for the set I did last time, because I'm pretty sure there was prep in that video. But for this video, what I'm going to do is take a short voiceover break, because my brain is tired from the heat, and let you enjoy watching me cram some stuff in these 3 nails that are left here, and then I'll catch you at the end of the video. Okay, here are all of the nails completely filled with crap and filed. So I've been seeing people online do this thing where they take the acetone and rub it along the cuticle line to really melt the acrylic or gel or whatever and make it smooth and snatched. And so I thought I'd give that a try. I'm not sure I really noticed a difference, but we'll see as they grow out if I think it looks better. There you go. So on the thumb, since we didn't put any crap in there, I'm just going to paint it one coat of that orange jelly. We used yellow and orange on the other 4 nails, but I decided orange for this one. And then we're going to top coat it and call it a day. There you go. I should have removed it. Should have put some crap in it. I didn't. I'm really happy with the set. Hopefully you are too. If you don't like it, just let me know, right? I mean, I'm wearing them, so it really doesn't matter, but I still want you to like them, right? So here we are with a little top coat. Look at how it makes that glitter shine. Oh, I love it. It's shiny. And this is the finished set, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you guys for sticking with me through my creativity slump and for this little bit of a late video. We're going to see you for more awesome stuff on Saturday and for shorts. I'm working on some shorts. So until then, have a wonderful day, a wonderful life. Be sweet to yourself and others. And I'm going to see you next time. Mwah! Bye-bye, guys.